Tonight, we are seeing some showers and thunderstorms that will be rolling in, especially early in the morning. Still got a few more hours until this activity arrives, but it's coming in ahead of a warm front that is set to bring in a summer-like day for our Friday, but we got to get through these storms first. So here's a look at future track. Again, just after 2 o'clock in the morning, that's been a pretty consistent theme here that we see these thunderstorms starting to roll into the area. There is a low threat for some small hail with the strongest 1 or 2 storms, especially from areas from Stockton to Dixon and Amboy and points off to the west, including Sterling, Rock Falls, Lanark as well. So watch out for that carefully. Don't be surprised if you hear some small hail falling outside, but just in general, don't be surprised if you hear some thunder or some heavy rain outside if you wake up to some of that. We do have some active weather that is rolling in overnight. As we see future track towards 4 o'clock now, showing that activity continuing to move off to the north and east. This will be on a weakening trend the further north and east it goes. So we'll see this kind of activity fairly scattered through the early morning hours. But by the time we're waking up and we're heading out the door, we're seeing most of this activity moving on out. You can see already clearing through the area after about 5:30 to 6 o'clock or so. An interesting trend that I'm seeing with the models here as of the last few hours is they're trying to fire up some more showers and some thunderstorms into the morning hours after daybreak. I think this is a little overdone here. We could see some isolated rain showers that linger later on into the morning hours, but I think the later into the morning we go, the drier we are, as we even start to get into some sunshine later into the day. And that's going to help really help our temperatures climb as we head later on into the day. So we start out in the upper 40s with those scattered showers and thunderstorms, but as we dry out later into the day, temperatures will be really warming up quickly, already into the 60s by about 10 o'clock or so, on our way to the middle 70s. The record high for tomorrow is 79, so likely not going to reach that level, but still feeling pretty nice for this time of year. Will be pretty windy though, gusts up to 40 miles per hour during the day, but then temperatures come back down again over the weekend as we have more rounds of rain, some thunderstorms, maybe even a little bit of snow here as we transition from March to April. So future track is doing a good job, I think, showing that most of the rainfall during the day on to Saturday will be staying off to our north along this boundary in Wisconsin, but that boundary will be slowly moving on south, and that may bring some light rain showers to the area as we head later into the day on Saturday and into the evening. Then this low pressure system looks to move just about right overhead, and that brings more robust rain shower activity into the day on Sunday. Then we get another push of rain late Sunday night. That changes over into some snow early on Monday. So a pretty active forecast here initially, but as we transition to April, temperatures warm back up with more chances for rain, especially on Wednesday.